10 interesting facts about agriculture. 1. The impact of free trade agreements. Take the Korea-U.S. FTA, for example. After it came into effect, trade between the two countries increased significantly. In the first 10 years, it jumped by about 66%. Even more surprisingly, exports of agricultural and livestock products from Korea to the U.S. rose by a whopping 95.2% compared to before the FTA. Seafood exports also saw an impressive increase of 99.4%. This shows that, despite initial concerns, free trade can have positive outcomes in agriculture. 2. The crucial role of mathematics. You might not immediately associate math with farming, but it's essential. Mathematics is vital in decoding DNA, securing internet communications, designing aircraft, creating animated movies, and advancing marine technology. In agriculture, math helps analyze genetic interactions and model ocean current circulation and temperature distribution. It's a hidden tool driving agricultural innovation. 3. AI-powered information retrieval. Artificial intelligence is changing how we find information. With AI search, you can easily locate information related to specific keywords. This is incredibly useful for farmers and researchers who need to stay updated on the latest agricultural advancements, market trends, and scientific findings. AI helps sift through vast amounts of data to find the most relevant insights. 4. The incredible diversity of trees. Did you know that trees are the largest single living organisms on Earth? They come in a stunning variety of shapes and sizes. The smallest tree is the dwarf willow, which stands only 1 to 6 centimeters tall. On the other end of the spectrum, the sunland baobab in South Africa had a diameter of 10.64 meters before it partially collapsed between 2016 and 2017. Trees provide essential resources and play a vital role in our ecosystem. 5. The enduring importance of wood. Wood has been a crucial material for humanity since ancient times. It's easy to work with and incredibly durable, making it perfect for construction. Even today, wood remains an important building material. You'll find wooden houses commonly in Japan and the United States, showcasing wood's timeless appeal and versatility in construction. 6. AI and the role of developers. There's a lot of discussion about AI replacing developers, but the reality is more nuanced. Developers are actively using AI to enhance their work. While there are concerns about over-reliance on AI, leading to a decline in fundamental skills, the key is learning how to effectively leverage AI as a tool. AI assists in coding, data analysis, and problem-solving, making developers more efficient and innovative. 7. The limitations of AI. While AI is powerful, it's not infallible. AI tends to follow statistical patterns in its training data, which means it often favors familiarity over novelty. As a result, the outcomes generated by AI might not always be the best or most innovative solutions. Human oversight and critical thinking are essential to ensure AI is used effectively and ethically. 8. Political factors affecting agriculture. Agricultural issues can sometimes become entangled with politics. For example, the mad cow disease scare was, in some instances, used as a political tool. Similarly, past stances on free trade agreements, such as the Korea-U.S. FTA, have shown instances of shifting political perspectives. Understanding the political context is crucial when analyzing agricultural policies and debates. 9. The rapid growth of certain trees. Some species of trees exhibit remarkably rapid growth rates. While the exact species wasn't specified in our research data, the ability of some trees to quickly mature highlights the potential for sustainable forestry and carbon sequestration. This rapid growth is essential for reforestation efforts in combating climate change. 10. The phenomenon of solitary trees. There are stories and images of individual trees standing alone in isolated locations, evoking a sense of resilience and solitude. These trees symbolize the strength and adaptability of nature. They serve as landmarks and provide unique ecological value in otherwise barren landscapes. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks!